I got this circular mirror charger from Target. It was $5. And now I'm going to be bouncing off the video that we showed yesterday. So if you missed it, make sure you go watch the replay. And this is a mirror, so it's going to be a little more difficult to record. But I'm going to take my adhesive mesh stencil. This is the Queen Bee one, and it's made by Maker Studio. And I'm just going to peel it off the backing. Now you want to save that piece. And I'm laying it down on top of my glass mirror charger. You just want to rub it on. Make sure that it's adhered in all the areas. Next, I have my glass etching cream. Now, all these can be found right on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And I just have a small art brush here. And I'm going to apply a good amount of the etching cream on top of the areas that are cut out on my mesh stencil. Now these mesh stencils are reusable that we are using, and you just want to make sure that you rinse the stencil right away when you're done using it. So I'm just making sure the etching cream is applied all over the entire cutout areas. And then you're going to remove it. And while I let this sit for 4 minutes, I'm going to wash my stencil with water. And this is what I have before rinsing it off. I have a bucket of just plain water here, and I'm literally just going to rinse on top of the entire charger. And I'm just going to take a paper towel and dry that. Now we have also done this technique on a glass jar with the Parisian script, and that came out really pretty as well. And now once we have all of the etching cream rinsed off with the water, you can see here how the image is etched into the glass. I have this circular board. I got this from Target as well. It was $3. And I'm just going to take some of my E6000. This is a good industrial glue. And I'm going to apply a good amount onto the back side of the charger. Now this you can use as a charger, which just means it sits on your vanity or whatever, and you can decorate it. Or you can use it as an actual wall hanging, and that's what we're going to do. I'm just going to put a good amount of this E6000 on the back of the charger, and then I'm going to adhere it to this circular board. And the board already has the jute hangers, which is nice, and then I'm just going to put some weight on that to allow the glue to fully dry. And now we have this Queen Bee wall hanging. You can use any of the mesh stencils to recreate this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. The mesh stencils in all the mediums that you can use with the mesh stencils can all be found on our webpage at chalkitupfancy.com. And don't forget, you can also check out other tutorials while you're on our webpage as well. Have a great day.